Hey guys, it's Neat1Up here, and welcome back to Roblox Lua for Idiots. In this episode, episode 2, we're gonna be going over variables. And what is a variable? In scripting, it's just a piece of data. It's just data in a script that can store anything. So yeah, let's pull up the script that we made last time. Also, I'd highly recommend that you check out the previous episode. Otherwise, if you're completely new to scripting, then yeah, this is probably going to be confusing for you. So, how do you make a variable in a script? You just type in local, and then space, and then whatever you want the variable to be. So, let's call it roll. And then we're going to make this equal to, let's make it equal to a string value or a text value, if you will, and then call it roll. And then we can reference the parts, which is right here, and we can change the part's name to roll game.workspace.parts dot name equals roll. And yeah, if you select it, if you select the word, it's going to also highlight the variable. That's a good way to know which one you're actually talking about, because you could have multiple variables, and yeah, that could be a mess. Also, if you're making multiple variables, try not to make them named the same way. Otherwise, yeah, things are gonna get a bit confusing. Probably gonna be an error or something. And then, like, to just to verify if the name actually got changed, we can also print. Printing is very useful for debugging. And yeah, as you can see, the part's name changed to roll. And yeah, variables, you can also use variables to contain parts too. So local good part. You can name variables literally anything, but it'd be highly recommended that you name it to something that's actually relevant to what you're trying to do here. So good part equals game.workspace.parts, and you can even reference it, like, just by saying good part dot, man, what should we change? Oh, the color. Yeah, actually no, let's just change it to like anchored equals false. Let's just change it to that. Just to, like, keep it simple, you know? Keep it simple, stupid. So, yeah, when we run the script, it's going to recognize, okay, good part, that's this thing right here. And so we're gonna make this not anchored, so it's gonna fall to the ground. There you go, it fell to the ground. So, yeah. Yeah, also, a property I didn't show last time. How do you change the color? You do goodPart.color, that's a color 3 value, so you'd say color3 dot from RGB, and then how much red, how much green, and how much blue you want in the color. And this square right here will show you what color you're making. And the max amount that you can put is 255. So if you do 255,00, this is how much red, this is how much green, and this is how much blue. So if you do 255,00, it's gonna turn completely red. See? Turns completely red. If you were to do 02550, it will be completely green. As you can see, it turned completely green. And if you were to do 00255, it will be completely blue. As you can see, it turned completely blue. So yeah, you can also mix some colors like 255, 255. That will make cyan. And you can, if you want it to be completely white, you do 255, 255, 255. Yeah, it's pretty fun to play around with. So yeah, you can use variables to store anything. Like you can use it to store numbers like 0.75, and then game.workspace.part.transparency equals good part. Why would I name it good part? That's a literal number, not a part. But yeah, as you can see, it turns almost completely transparent. So yeah, those are variables and how you can use them. So with that, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you didn't like this video, please leave a dislike. And if you'd like to stick around for the series, please consider subscribing. And I shall see y'all in the next one. Till then, peace.